Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use split screen in the Brave browser. Whether you're multitasking between websites, comparing content, or just want to browse more efficiently, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your Brave browser and go to the tab you want to split. Once you're there, right-click on the tab to open the context menu. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any important details. Next, click on the option labeled Add tab to new split screen view. You'll see your browser window divide, showing two tabs side by side. This allows you to view and interact with both tabs at the same time. For example, you can search for Google in one tab and open YouTube in the other, and both will remain fully functional. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your Brave browser is updated, and avoid having too many heavy tabs open at once, as this can affect performance. Doing this beforehand can save time and help prevent slowdowns while using split screen. Once you've completed these steps, you can easily switch between the split tabs with just a click, or adjust the split layout if needed. This makes multitasking in Brave much easier and more efficient. It's also a good idea to experiment with different tab combinations to find what works best for your workflow. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to use split screen in Brave browser without any hassle. Thanks for watching this Stack tutorial video. If you found this helpful, feel free to share it with someone who might need it.